Have you ever stopped to wonder, how do rockets break free from Earth's mighty grip? The marvel of space travel, a testament to human ingenuity, is a fascinating journey that begins right here, on our home planet. Imagine, if you will, a colossal rocket packed with fuel, and its sole mission is to defy the laws of gravity. To succeed in this endeavor, it needs to reach an unbelievable speed. 25,020 miles per hour. That's right, a staggering 25,020 miles per hour, but the journey is only just beginning. Getting a rocket to such immense speeds is no small feat. It's a daunting challenge that requires overcoming Earth's powerful gravitational pull, a force that keeps everything grounded. Imagine having to run so fast you could escape the very force that's pulling you down. That's the kind of speed we're talking about here. Rocket design plays a pivotal role in this feat. Sleek and streamlined, rockets are engineered to minimize air resistance and maximize speed. Their multi-stage design allows for the shedding of weight as the journey progresses, ensuring that they remain as light and agile as possible. But why go through all this trouble? Because reaching orbit is not just about space exploration. It's also about deploying satellites that play a critical role in our daily lives, from weather forecasting to GPS navigation. So, how exactly do we go about launching a rocket into orbit? Let's dive into the journey to orbit in the next segment. It all begins with a monumental liftoff. As the rocket engines roar to life, an immense amount of fuel is ignited, generating a force so powerful it defies Earth's gravity, pushing the rocket into the sky. This is the first stage, often the largest part of the rocket, carrying most of the fuel. The sole purpose of this stage is to overcome Earth's gravitational pull and get the rocket off the ground. It's a thrilling spectacle, but it's just the beginning of the journey. As the rocket ascends, it soon reaches the point where the first stage has used up all of its fuel. But this is no cause for alarm, it's all part of the plan. The first stage separates, and the second stage ignites. This process, known as staging, is a crucial part of the journey. By shedding the weight of each spent stage, the rocket becomes lighter and can travel faster with the same amount of force. It's like shedding layers of clothing as you run a marathon. Each layer dropped increases your speed and efficiency. But it's not just about going up. To stay in orbit, the rocket also needs to go sideways, really fast. This is where trajectory comes into play. The rocket doesn't go straight up but follows a curved path, gradually tilting sideways. This is known as a gravity turn, a clever way of using Earth's gravity to help the rocket gain the horizontal speed it needs to stay in orbit. And then there's the final stage. This is the smallest part of the rocket, carrying the payload, whether it's a satellite, a rover, or astronauts. When this stage ignites, it propels the payload to the exact speed and altitude required to enter the orbit. Each stage plays a crucial role, propelling the rocket further and faster into the unknown. It's a ballet of physics and engineering, a symphony of speed and force. And at the end of this performance, if all has gone according to plan, we have a rocket in orbit, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of exploration. Reaching orbit is a balancing act of speed and altitude. This critical moment, the pinnacle of the launch, is when the rocket must achieve a delicate equilibrium. It's like a choreographed cosmic dance, where every step, every movement must be perfectly timed and executed. The rocket, having overcome the pull of Earth's gravity, needs to reach a speed known as the orbital velocity. This isn't just any speed. It's a staggering 17,500 miles per hour. At this speed, the rocket is moving fast enough to keep falling towards Earth, but also fast enough to keep missing it. It's a paradox that's hard to fathom, but it's the essence of what an orbit is. As the rocket climbs higher into the sky, the Earth's gravitational pull decreases, but the need for speed increases. The rocket must accelerate to this orbital velocity at the precise moment when it has reached the correct altitude. Too slow, and the rocket will be pulled back to Earth. Too fast, and it will shoot off into space, lost in the cosmic void. This is the critical moment, the tightrope walk on the edge of our atmosphere. It's a feat of precision and calculation, where the laws of physics are the only guide, and there's no room for error. And just like that, a rocket finds its new home in the vast expanse of space. But none of this would be possible without an incredible team and state-of-the-art technology. Let's delve into the science and teamwork behind a successful launch. A rocket's journey to orbit is not a solo act. It takes a diverse team of engineers, scientists, technicians, and even meteorologists, all working in unison to ensure the mission's success. From designing and building the rocket, to calculating its trajectory, to monitoring weather conditions, every detail matters. The technology involved is equally impressive. Rockets are feats of engineering, built to withstand the extreme conditions of space. They're powered by advanced propulsion systems, guided by sophisticated navigation equipment, and equipped with cutting-edge communication tools to stay in touch with ground control. The launch itself is a dance of precision. The rocket must reach a specific speed, known as orbital velocity, to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. This is typically 28,000 kilometers per hour or 7 kilometers per second. Achieving this speed requires perfectly timed engine burns, precise adjustments to the rocket's course, and a whole lot of fuel. Even once the rocket is in orbit, the team's work is far from over. They must continually monitor the spacecraft, adjusting its course as necessary, and ensuring it maintains the right speed and altitude. So next time you see a rocket launch, remember the immense effort and precision that goes into that awe-inspiring spectacle. Space, the final frontier, and the journey there is just as exciting as the destination itself. Every launch represents a marvel of human achievement, a testament to our unquenchable thirst for knowledge and exploration. It's a dance of science, technology, and sheer human will, all working in harmony to conquer the vast expanse of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space-related content. And feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.